Good day traders, I will gonna show you how to dominate the forex market during weekdays. I am using one of the best profitable indicator to boost our profit and have a daily trading income. Take a look at my trades, almost wins over losses. IQ option platform already have 1-minute digital trades on major cryptocurrencies. You could try to use this strategy with the cryptocurrency pairs. Also, it is safe to have 2 to 3 step martingale strategy. Be sure you have the right amount of money to trade with. To download this strategy, you can visit ultimatefxtools.com. Or just click the link given below to download this strategy. We will now start trading by using the Binary SNlp3r Pro indicator. Be sure to set your purchase time or expiry time to 1 minute. I tried this for 2 to 3 minutes but low chance of winning. All we need is to wait for the signal to pop up, then execute the trade. Take a look at the USD CAD has sell signal. Let's execute our trade. We will wait for the trade to be done. AUD USD has buy signal. Let's go for a buy. Help we could win the trade. Got our profit. Amazing signal. See the rest of the video and don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell button to get latest updates and strategies trading online with binary options.